Yo everyone, based on the last video I published yesterday, which was related to for and while loops, including input function, I just want to show you how you can build a 10 lines code, which is actually guess a number game. So let's start. First of all, we will need to import a method from a module. So it will be from random import rand int, which is a random int number. Okay, let's create a variable of a number which will be randomly generated every time you start the code. Number to guess rand int. Let's make it short, a number between 0 and 10. Okay, now we want to use the while loop, which will ask the user to provide a number as long as the condition won't be true. The condition will be that the guessed number supposed to be equal to number to guess. So let's do it. While true, and let's define, let's do it here, guessed number okay. So in guessed number we are going to save the user input. Now we have to add if condition, which will be all the time checking if the provided number is equal to the generated number. So it will be if guessed number is equal to number. Oops. In case if it is equal, let's print a message to the user. Correct. And let's break the code in this case, in this line. Else, in case if this is not the correct number, let's print a message to the user. Incorrect number. Please try again. Okay. Now, if you run it, as you can see, it works, but it will never be equal. I mean, the numbers will never be equal, and the reason is because what we're trying to compare here is actually a string to a number. Okay, in this case we're generating an integer, but in this case, once the user provides the input, it's a string. So in case to make it work, we have to convert it to an int. I just can prove it that it won't work, so we provided 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, as you can see, it doesn't work. So all you need to do is just cast int on this one, and now it should work. Let's start with a 0. Okay, here you go. So within 10 lines we just created a simple game. You can take it and develop whatever you want. It can be with words, it can be with numbers, you can do whatever you want. So good luck in next video.